My PC is such a beauty. I will win. My PC will win.
Talaga lang ha? Sure ka na dyan? I'm sorry beauty, but my PC is the best.
What's up guys, Liminal here and welcome to the Beauty and the Geek PC Build-Up Challenge. Now join me as I take a closer look at these Aorus PC gaming rigs because you will be the one voting for the deserving winner. Yep, you heard that right. Just comment your single vote on this video post with a hashtag Aorus Beauty and the Geek. And of course, there will only be one vote per person allowed. Now to make this more exciting for everybody, voters of the winning contender will stand a chance to win 3 Aorus jackets and 2 Aorus robots via a raffle draw. Now the raffle prize winners will be announced on the Aorus PH Facebook page, so like and follow the Aorus Facebook page for more updates. Now, it is finally time to meet our contenders. Sa tingin nyo, kaninong PC kaya ang mas astig? Let's wait and see. Dahil ipapadala na natin ang Aorus PC components sa ating dalawang contenders.
Dumating na ngayon yung bago nating PC, so mabuhay na natin siya.
Finally guys, our Aorus PC parts have finally arrived and I'm so excited because I know that I will win this build-up challenge. Kaya naman, let the battle begin.
Wow! Mga chikoy, confident talaga ako sa challenge na to. Bakit? Tignan niyo itong hawak ko na processor. Ito ang Intel Core i9-10900K. Speed ba ang usapan? This is a king. This is a 10-core processor with Z490 Extreme motherboard at with Aorus 360mm water cooling system para ma-achieve natin ang stability ng all cores running at 5.2 GHz.
We have our Gigabyte Z490 Vision G motherboard and I've heard so much great things about this motherboard because of its efficient power supply delivery sa ating CPU as well as its great thermal performance. Excited na ako to see how it works together with our other Aorus parts. Kaya naman, let's start building guys! Let's go!
So, ito nung dumating tong case na to, parang ito yung alien na case. Kailangan natin ikabit muna yung pinaka-fans, itong fans na to. Pag hindi nyo kinabit to, magiging aircon yan.
Okay guys, we're finally done with this beauty at sobrang nakaka-proud lang kasi this is the first time na gumawa ako ng sarili kong build and really designed it from scratch and kailangan ko yung tulong ninyo. Please support Team Beauty, girl power tayo dito and sabay-sabay natin i-trash talk si Christian PH. Christian PH, and bring you down!
Alright mga chikoy, isa ito sa pinakamalakas at solid na computer na binild ko since yung nagkabit-kabit ako ng PC. At ang masasabi ko, ang saya ko talaga. Nakaka-proud talaga na nakaranas ako ng ganito dahil kay Aorus. Kaya kung mahilig ka sa computer o kaya mag-build, huwag kang titigil. Kasi kung kaya ko, kaya mo. At saka isa pa, sabay-sabay natin talunin ang Team Beauty sa challenge na to. Dahil Team Geek tayo at ang Team Geek hindi nagpapatalo. Kaya Miss Myrtle, mag-ready ka na po. Tatalunin namin ang kagandahan mo sa challenge na to. Vote wisely, mga chikoy.
Listen carefully because our contenders are about to share with you why they think they deserve your vote. Let us first welcome our geek, Christian PH.
Sobrang nag-enjoy talaga ako sa pagbuo ng PC na ito at na-excite na ako na gamitin ito dahil first time ko lang din makabuo mismo ng computer na ganito at ngayon lang din ako nakahawak ng mga ganitong components. At lalo na yung Gigabyte Z490 Aorus Extreme na motherboard. At dahil daw masarap naging solid yung build ko. At ang sarap talaga sa pakiramdam na makapag-build up ka mismo ng PC at mapagana mo siya. Dahil napakasarap talaga sa feeling na makabuo ka ng something gamit mismo yung dalawang kamay mo. My PC also has this full body copper heatsinks that accounts the heat transfer from the key component, both front and back of the device controller, and the NAND flash. Full copper heatsinks that have 69% higher heat transfer capacity compared to aluminum, giving the Aorus NVMe Gen 4 SSD the best heat dissipation for read or write performance. At saka plus points na yung aesthetics. Tingnan nyo gano'ng kaganda yung computer ko. Sobrang astig, di ba? At gaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina sa unboxing, ang gamit ko ng processor ay ang Intel Core i9 with Turbo Max technology. Overall, confident ako na mananalo ako sa challenge na to.
The goddess of Aorus, Myrtle Sarosa.
As a content creator, I have a lot of multimedia graphic works. And the Z490 Vision G really checks off lahat ng requirements ko for the best performing PC. Unang-una, my work needs a CPU that has the power to take care of all the heavy processing load that I do for my work. Mula sa video editing, photo editing, tons and tons of rendering, as well as scaling na ginagawa ko for my cosplay designs. The Z490 Vision G supports the latest generation of Intel processor that allows me to process all my photos and videos, and they're really best for these types of work. And to add a cherry on top, it also has a 12-phase direct power supply design that allows my PC to run so smooth and has great thermal performance. Kailangan ko ng motherboard that has the latest and faster storage components that's already out in the market. And yung maganda dito sa Z490 Vision G is that it already has a dual ultra-fast M.2 slot with PCIe Gen 3 X4 interface, which allows the M.2 slot and our PCIe SSD storage component to run to its maximum capabilities, which allows me to load all my photos, videos, and all my applications really, really fast. And to add to its sweet capabilities, it is also Intel Optane memory ready, so you guys can add Intel Optane memory to boost your computer's performance. And the storage support is also future-proof because it already has the PCIe 4.0 hardware design. In terms naman of ports to connect my additional devices with, it has a wide array of connectivity support, tulad na lang ng ating lightning-fast Intel Thunderbolt 3 AIC support, which allows you to have 40GB connection to data and video at home. And lastly is its design. It has a minimalistic look that really focuses on the job of doing its cooling and of course its performance. So Gigabyte aims for a minimalistic look and used white as the main color scheme of the board, which is perfect for my setup. Pero despite its simple look, it supports the RGB Fusion 2.0 support addressable LED and RGB LED strips, which gives your build a touch of color. My PC is such a beauty. I will win. My PC will win.
Talaga lang ah. Sure ka na dyan? Pasensya ka na beauty, but my PC is the best.
The emotions are so high right now, and I'm sure you are excited to vote. We actually asked our fellow PC enthusiasts on who they think will win this challenge.
I always go for beauty. Lalo na si Martel. Beauty and brain tax.
Geek, syempre. Mabuhay tayo. Rock on!
Depende sa budget, syempre.
Yan na ba PC mo? Best mo na yon? Todo mo na yan?
Hindi pa. The best is yet to come.
Alam mo, iboboto na kita para naman madagdagan ng konti yung votes mo.
Nako, Miss Myrtle. Sa inyo na po yan. Mas marami ako niyan.
Yabang ah. Ikaw nga dyan yung noob.
Hindi, mas noob
Newbie.
ka. Mas noob ka.
Guys, ang intense. Relax lang ah. Let our viewers be the judge. Just comment here, beauty, if you're voting for Myrtle, and geek, if you're voting for Christian PH. The lucky raffle winners will be announced on the Aorus Facebook page, so like and follow them for more updates. This is the Beauty and the Geek PC Build-Up Challenge. Aorus, we'll see you again next time.
Psst, guys, panalunin niyo ako ha. Magpaparapol tayo sa next YouTube video natin. Dali.